I am excited. I'm very excited. I'm very nervous too, but very excited.
During the General Assembly's 2020 legislative session, the Family Resource Youth Coalition of Kentucky, in partnership with the Cabinet for Health and Family Services Division of Family Resource and Youth Services Centers, known as FRYSC, provided students with hands-on experience at the state capitol.
I had to do an essay on how FRYSC had helped me and why I would like to become a page.
We provide drug and alcohol programs for our students. We provide health programs. The dentist comes in to help with the many programs. And it's a big hodgepodge of things that we do for our schools.
There were around 170 pages from FRYSC this year, assisting senators and representatives from across the Commonwealth.
Honestly, I'm in the Senate today with Senator Dennis Parrott, and I'm just looking forward to see what he experiences in a daily routine and just all that kind of stuff. I'm very excited.
I think it's really, really good for them because they get to see government firsthand and they feel like they can be part of it, you know, even though it's just for a short time.
Senator Parrott says when students come into the chamber, they are surprised at how civil it can be.
They can see, number one, how laws are made. And you know, if they just learn that, you know, how laws are made and the whole process, how they become a law, that'll stick with them a long time.
Janae Sutton works at Hardin County Schools. She is also Addison's mother and describes how FRYSC saved a young woman in a desperate situation.
That child had spoken to their parents and really didn't have any answers, and simply asked my daughter Addison, I don't know what to do, I'm done, I'm finished.
Addison knew just what to do.
Addison took her straight to the Family Resource Youth Service Center and was able to get that child connected with services.
When Addison was chosen to lobby for the importance of FRYSC, she asked her mother's advice about what to say.
And I said, well, they want you to tell you what does a FRYSC mean to Kentucky schools, because it is not a given that the money and the funding will be there all the time. And she said, well, I can tell you the school would need to close if there was not a Family Resource Youth Service Centers.
If they didn't get those services, they'd fall through the crack and they'd get farther and farther behind, and that's not what we need in education in Kentucky.
So I'm hoping they get ideas of how, not only how the government works, but maybe it's something they want to do when they get out of school.
I'd like to see what it's like, because possibly I could go into that one day, you never know.